Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. In this video we will be looking at how we can use the 3M trend milker successfully in trading boom and crash so that we can be making profitable trades on daily basis. Okay, so many people have been asking me this question, how I've been able to make a lot of profit on this platform, and of course the secret has been using it's the secret is all about using the 3M trend milker indicator to do my analysis. Okay, you heard that right. Okay, so this particular indicator has really helped me to analyze the market effectively so that I'm able to make some good profit for myself. But you guys need to know how to use it so that you will understand when to go into the market and when to exit the market. Okay, all these are very important. So we're going to be having a full training session focusing more on this particular trading tool so that we all can know how to use it successfully. I've gotten some of my subscribers that are using it already, and they are using it to make daily profit for themselves every day, and this has been something amazing to me. Okay, they've even been withdrawing from this platform. Okay, so you all can also do the same thing, but you need to understand how to put it into use so that you will know when it is the right time for you to go into a trade and when it is wrong for you to be in the trade. Okay, so this is very important. These are some of the things we will be checking out in this week. So quickly, before we go fully into it, in case you are joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, so that you can be making some cool cash for yourself right from here. Okay, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to make sure you browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and of course make sure you understand every strategy shared there, and do your practice on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. This is very important. Okay, and if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, and do not forget to join the Telegram channel. We usually have some trading activities going on the Telegram channel. So let's go back into what we have right here. So like I said, this is the 3M trend milker indicator, and this particular indicator has been giving us a lot of profit on daily basis. Okay, more especially for those that have been using it. Okay, they've been making consistent profit. Of course, we still have a few people that are still having issues here and there on how to use it successfully, and that is what we'll be treating in this video. Okay, and of course this particular indicator can be used on all the assets including currency pairs. Okay, so because I'm also using it on currency pairs, while I'm also using it on synthetic indices, you can also use it to trade other synthetic indices apart from the boom and crash. Okay, so that is one beautiful thing about it. So in this my first video, we will be doing the general intro about it. Then there are some things that you need to really understand before you should know how before you start using this indicator. Okay, there are some signals it usually pops out with. Okay, for instance, let me start with the arrows. Okay, the red arrow means the sell signal. Okay, while the blue arrow means the buy signal. Okay, so when you have the blue arrow, then it means you should buy. When you have the sell arrow, then it means you should sell. Okay, it can also mean an exit arrow. Okay, any of them can mean an exit arrow. For instance, if you're on downtrend and of course you want to sell, okay, you are selling based on the red arrow. Okay, so you should know that the blue arrow will tell you to exit the market at that point, and if you are buying also, then you should know that the red arrow should tell you that you should exit the market at that point. Okay, so this is very important. So both of them can serve as your entry point and your exit point depending on the trend you are trading. Okay, that's the first thing you need to know. Then the second thing you should know is about the trend. Okay, so let's look at the trend quickly. Okay, I'm going to use this part to explain the trend. Okay, when the trend, when the market is in this color, this yellowish color, then definitely the market is on uptrend at this point. Okay, but when it is in this red flag color, then definitely the market is on downtrend at this point. Okay, so all that are very, very important. Okay, apart from this, it also has a pop-up message that usually pops up whenever it is giving signal. Okay, so you can also go through that, and of course it also give us signal on this whiteboard. Okay, so that is it. But the pop-up and this whiteboard are for short period. Okay, but for long period, the most important thing is you to focus on the main chart. Okay, on the main chart, how do you know if it's going to go for a very long time? You just focus, you combine the trend signal and the entry point signal. So that is, if it is on uptrend, then you should know that you should go with the buy trend signal. Okay, if it is on downtrend, then you should know that you should go with the sell trend signal. Not that there won't be any contradicting signal that will come in between, because there will always be pullback. For instance, here is a downtrend and it was going down, and right here is a contradicting signal, which is a buy signal. Okay, which means that it's going to buy, but you can see it went for a very short time, okay, before it continues with the sell trend. The reason is this is just a pullback. The market is already on downtrend. Okay, so this can serve as a kind of exit point for you. So once you see this, you close on this trade that you have started right here. Okay, so all that are very, very important. Okay, there are some other things that you should also take note of before you start using this indicator. Okay, number one, some of these things are you having the basic knowledge of how the forex markets work. Okay, you should know your support and resistance zone. You should know more about the price actions. Okay, so once you are able to put all these into place, then you will be able to trade this asset successfully. I'm very sure you will love the trending part of it, but there are some situations whereby the market will break out from all major support zone, or probably from all major resistance zones. So you should be able to check on higher time frame in order for you to check this out. Okay, so for instance, right here, let me come to this particular asset, boom, 1000. For the past 2 days, it has been on a very strong downtrend. Okay, starting from here, you can see it kept on going down, breaking out from all support zones. Okay, here was a support zone, it broke out from there. Then this is another one, broke out from there. Okay, it kept on breaking out from all support zones. Here is another one, it also broke out from there, and it kept on breaking out and breaking out and breaking out. You can see based on this, for you to know how far it will go, you need to keep on going on higher time frame, because on 5 minutes that support zone has been broken already. It has gotten to the support zone on 5 minutes already, somewhere around here. And of course, you expect it to have a pullback, a major pullback, if not a total reversal in price action. But it didn't have it. It only pops up a bit, which is a minor pullback, but went back down again and breaks out. It broke out from that support zone. Then you should know that something is wrong. The forces behind the downtrend is stronger than the support zone. Okay, then you should at that stage whereby the market is already on the ground level like this, and you are unable to know what is happening next, it just keeps on selling and selling and selling. You hardly see a significant movement because it is already on the ground floor. Then you need to learn to go to the higher time frame to study the price actions. Okay, you need to go to the higher time frame to study the price actions to know what is really happening. And when you get to 15-minute time frame, it shows that it is also at the ground level. It means that it is already breaking out from the support zone on 15-minute time frame. Then you go to 30 minutes, you go to 1 hour, till you are able to see a clear vision of what is really happening and where the next major support zone is. Okay, as at yesterday when I checked it, you are unable to see a significant stuff even on daily time frame. Okay, so I had to go to weekly time frame to get out the full details about what was really happening. At first it was around here, around this particular place, and I knew it's going to break out from there because where when I checked the support zone, I noticed that it is still far away from there, so it broke out from there. So this alone from here to here is a big trading opportunity, and of course it kept on going down and going down, but I had to give it another point around here just to see that, because I noticed that here there is another major pullback around here, so I knew that it might want to go back up at that particular point. And you can see when it got there, it pushed back up a bit. Okay, we don't know if it will still continue with the downtrend or not. Okay, but these are some of the things that you need to check out. You need to know where the next support zone is, and of course where we are most likely to have a pullback happening around there, or else you might be trapped in the market, or probably you might be losing an opportunity to make more profit for yourself. You can imagine you be in the market around here till this level will have given you a lot of profit. That alone can give you up to $1,000. Okay, if you are traded it. Okay, so you can see, instead of you losing out on such amazing opportunity, you should have gone up to the higher time frame to check it out, to see what is truly happening around there. So that is why you need to understand all this. So these are some of the things that we'll be checking out in our video, and this is just an intro just for you to know how it works. Okay, so I hope you have learned a lot from this. So, and of course we will build more on this in my next video, but for now I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.